Oh, yeah, these are the settings that I constantly forget sometimes. Well, constantly forget sometimes. That's crazy, but yeah, sometimes when I'm doing my gaming videos, I will forget to turn off the secondary sound device in Bandicam. I use Bandicam for my screen recording, recording screens, recording audio, overlaying my webcam, and it works pretty good. I don't remember what I paid for it anymore. I got a license for it several years ago. Might have been somewhere around $20, but like I've had this for years, and it still works great. I still have access to it. I haven't had to buy another license for a while, so I do like it. But yeah, here's one of the issues that I run into. Just did a gaming video and left the secondary sound device on, which is usually the speakers. And so one of the suggestions I've got is check that before you record. I don't always do it, but I have that disabled now. Have it set for microphone, wireless microphone. And again, I'm using the Hollyland A1, which I'm really loving. I have been recording a lot of videos just using the built-in microphone on my laptop, and it's not so good. So just my little advice.